as long as I've been politically conscious, we've been hearing about the rate that those areas are being deforested. And I think the people who really have the interests of the land and the interests of the greatest number of people in relationship to that land are indigenous peoples. If I said to you, you need to conserve energy, you need to eat less meat, you need to alter your behavior just a little bit, and if you don't want to do that, then we're just going to go kill a lot of indigenous people. Which would you rather have? How many people would choose to murder indigenous people in order to increase how much meat they eat and how much oil they burn? The activities of these governments do not represent the will of the people. They don't.
The Amazon is not for sale. The Amazon is not for sale. We won't have air to sing this song if we don't stand for the Amazon. Sorry.
Mike, just go with Mike. Yeah. I am the prosecutor who's guaranteeing everything.